What's up, guys? So I finally got a package that I ordered from New Rage Cycles about 2 weeks ago. They shipped it a week after I had ordered it. Supposedly it was because of the COVID and like all the stuff that's going on. It was taking longer than usual. But anyways, I'm super stoked that I got it. It's something for the bike, something for the Z. But yeah, it's like I said, it's from New Rage Cycles. Let's see what we got. Dun 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 dun. Bam. Doesn't look like much, but it's gonna make a hell of a difference. So, what we're looking at here is a Fender Eliminator for my Kawasaki Z900. It's gonna get rid of this big old bulky thing that it has in the back and literally just sit like this. Bam. Right there. It's kind of dark in my garage, but it's just gonna sit like that, and it's gonna get rid of this boat anchor looking thing here. But yeah, let's go ahead, get started, see what we can do. We're gonna start off by removing the seat. Close that. I'm gonna go here, pop that up. Bam. I'm gonna pop this pin right here. Bam. I'm just gonna release the seat. Let's go. Next, fuck, it's hot. I got me an Allen key, and I'm gonna remove these 4 bolts. Bam. Just get it. Okay, got my 4 bolts out, put them right there. So I got my 1/4 inch extension with my 1/4 inch Phillips and my 1/4 inch ratchet. And I'll loosen it. Uh-oh. Right there. Don't panic. The actual fender. Just wiggle it around. Oh, don't be scared. You just gotta slide it out. It just slides in and out. Next, we're gonna disconnect all 3 connectors. And these, you just pop them right here, this little tab, and pull them out. Oh, there you go. And just find that little tab to push, and you pull them out. There you go. Next, we're going to remove these 4 Phillips. Allen wrenches, Allen nuts, whatever. And the Phillips as well. It's got 1 Phillips. As you can see, it's starting to wobble off. You see it? I just dropped it. I just pulled my connectors out. Look at this thing. Look at this big old thing. God damn. Compared to what it's gonna be. Look at that. Crazy. Alright, so it goes like this. And then this thing is gonna go down here. And this thing down here. Once you do that, I think these go in here. And I'm gonna put it in. I'm gonna slide it in. Slide here. I should do a big one first. Get it in the holes. I don't like that. I kind of don't like that. It leaves that gap right there. I don't know if I'm installing it wrong. Once you do that, you're gonna put your screws over here. So I'm guessing that's how it fits. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's got a little bit of a gap right there. But that's it. That's pretty much it. I'm just gonna tighten this up and put it back together, show you guys this finished product, but that's pretty much it. I don't know how I feel about that. We'll see. So we got our 10. I'm gonna hold it here. And then we're gonna counter the bottom with that Allen key. And the size on that. I'm gonna hold it back here and screw it here. Well, it's getting closer. Maybe it'll seal it up some more. Just closing the gap a bit. I think that's about it right there. Do the other one. Sealed it up a bit, but not all the way. Got that all squared. Time to put everything back together. So I'm guessing there's no need for the Allens and the Phillips screw because the bracket covered it, and then there's nothing that leads to these. I think this big bulky thing was holding on to all of that. Yeah, you see? 1, 2, 3, 4 Phillips. I'm gonna just go ahead and connect everything and see how it looks. Let's go. So we got this one. I'm guessing it's this one. No? Oh shit. Okay. Don't tell me they sent me the wrong one. God damn it. I think I have it backwards. Yeah, I do. But I think they sent me the wrong one. God damn. Yeah, it's the wrong one. That's not gonna fit. I'm guessing it doesn't have hazards? No? The license plate bracket? Let's see. There's a left and the right. Okay, yeah, I don't have a license plate LED. Well, I guess that's where I'm gonna end the video, guys. I guess, I don't know if it's the wrong one or I don't know what the deal is, but I may just end up splicing this one with this connector here and just joining them so I can have the license plate light, because this isn't the right outlet. As you can see, it has both as a receiving, but it doesn't work. And if I connect this one, this is the license plate. See? So I may just end up doing that. Cutting this one. And just put them together. But I'm probably gonna do that at work. So I'm gonna just build it back and call it a night. But anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And just stay tuned for more content. Yeah, I'm gonna put it back and then put a picture or a video or whatever, how it looks, all put back together. But thanks for watching. I'll see you guys around later. There it is, guys. Bam. Look at that big difference. Makes it look way more sporty compared to this big old hunk of plastic. I would have gone like that. Look at that.